ganyan po kami nagpunta sa kupunan ito. And I've empowered all the vice chancellors, enabled them to react directly to problems that confront the province, the areas of responsibility. And siguro si Portia also can, Dr. Fernandez can tell you some researches that you can do. By the way, they are world class. They just got 3 awards from WHO.
Good morning, everybody. So, just to underscore yung concept na push forward ng new administration, Chancellor MLA, is that maybe when you think of research also, you attach yourself to the faculty who are going to pursue the research that you will leave behind after your assembly ends. But because why? Because it will be sure to continue. It doesn't stifle you, diba, in terms of that concept. Kasi you can augment whatever ideas your professors are doing. And that's where we want that youth, that energies to come in. I teach policy, and it's essentially a research policy class. And yung magandang mga outcomes nila, we attach to them. For instance, I have a student, Mr. Canting. So his research is about our response in emergencies and disasters, specifically the one last time. So eventually, once it's better polished, you present it to the Pahinungod and the UP Manila. But it will be continued. Why? Because it's a personal interest of myself, as well as this administration. So yes, attach yourself to the faculty. It doesn't stifle you. And because we are the ones taking care of that project inherently, we will pursue that to fruition. And because we are in practice, we are engaging people in policy, and in government, and even in the industry, to pursue that, so that meron talagang produkto na ginagamit. That's what we call practice. That's how we practice our practice positions in the country, or as other health professionals in the country. So, yeah, if you want to think that way, and maybe the difficulties, that's why you have to go through all of these processes, because they're new, they're standalone. How can they be supported? They're just, personally interesting. It ends with the grades, diba? And then your faculty say, it's a good idea, we can pursue that. So, siguro another suggestion in terms of information communications technology, because I had the National Telecom Center, is the integration of the undergrads of UP Comsci, UP Manila Comsci, with the MSHI, Masters of Science in Health Informatics. And they study together, computer science programmers and health information managers, health informatics. They work together on some really useful ideas. For instance, yung issue about renal transplants. So they're working, so the kids, the younger ones in the undergrads, they get an idea how this will be worked through. And the master's students who are also now in practice, they will pursue this until the health transplantation information system is in place, because they are in the professional organization. So think that way, because it's immediately relevant, it's immediately useful, and it's far-reaching. And your youth will definitely energize our own ideas also, so that we can pursue it to the next generation. So yes, relevant research. Attach yourself to faculty, will continue on with the work. We want your energies. In the end, the UP is all about us. It's not about your faculty members, but it's all about us putting things together.
Isa pang sweetener. Kapag na-certify ng iyong kolegyo na iyong research ay maayos, dodoblin ko ang hindi nila sa inyo. From out of my pocket. Okay? So, putting my money where my mouth is. Okay, guys? So, siguro naman, hindi na ito ulang sa inyo. Just to show you my commitment to you guys. Sabi ko, mga anak kayo eh. Kagasta ko rin kayo. Gusto niya aking mga anak. Kayo, lalo na yung mahihirap. Kung merong problema, sabihin nyo lang sa aking mga vice chancellors, you can get me. And we'll be more than glad to share whatever we have. Okay? So this is one time I can look you straight in the eye and say, I put my money where my mouth is. Okay? So research that has been certified as, so we say, acceptable and responsive to the needs of the country. Just let me know. I will help you personally. I don't even want any recognition for what I'm going to do for. Basta sabihin niyo lang sa akin, Vice Chancellor for Research, si Dr. Jun Rizalio. He's a good role model for all of you. Nag-graduate pa lang, scientist na. Outstanding scientist of the country again. But now he's a university scientist. So, mga ganyan, role model natin. And yun nga I mentioned the name of Joseph Leo. Okay, dalawang pagkirin niya, nakakarahan ko na. So, meron din akong circle of patients who can make things move. I used to have Speaker of the House, former Senate President, Chief Justice, some justices of the Supreme Court, some people who will be willing to work for you, to help you. So just let me know. So even from your own resources, it's not beyond me to help you. So yun ang pinakikita ko lang sa inyo na hindi kami tumitindig dito parang mag-lip service lamang. Okay? Pero ang kapalit nun, ano po ang kapalit nun? Na kayo ay magiging kapal sa inyong sarili, na kayo ay maglilingkod sa inyong pamilya at sa inyong bayan. Kung yun po ay makakapatunayan sa akin, the sky is the limit. I can make you finish medical schooling. Basta pakita mo lang sa akin, mga tao ganun. So, hindi kami ang aking pupulan, aking mga Vice Chancellor, aking Chancellor's Management Team, pero all out. I assure you, when our term ends, you wish we serve you for another 6 years or 3 years. Okay. Any other questions? Yes, please.
Sir, I'm G.D. Barrett from NRP. Gusto ko lang po sa itanong kung ano po yung initiatives across ng University of Philippines, Manila in terms of the culture and the arts. Kasi po, coming from a varsity organization, for the culture of the arts of UP Manila, parang we feel sometimes na medyo taken for granted ng mga cultural and artistic organizations ng University of Philippines.
Ang